Hello, k times k minus k times k equals 100. We need to solve this problem and need to find the value of k. Let's start it. K times k times k. This equals to k cube minus this equal to k square equal to 100. Now k cube minus k square. This 100 comes this way, so becomes minus 100, and here 0. 0 is remaining. Now we go a further step. So 100 is equal to 125 minus 25. So for this 100 we can replace this k power 3 minus k power 2 minus, here I write 125 minus 25 and this is equal to 0. For this I replaced this one, k power 3 minus k power 2, this becomes minus 125, this minus becomes plus 25 equal to 0. Now we have k power 3 minus k power 2, 125. We know 125 is equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, this becomes 5 power 3. So 5 power 3 and then 5 power 2, this is equal to 0. So k power 3, 5 power 3 together minus k power 2 plus 5 power 2, this together. So k power 3 minus 5 power 3 minus k power 2 plus 5 power 2, this becomes 0. Now we can make pairs. So k power 3 minus 5 power 3, one pair, taking negative sign common, so this becomes k square. From this one negative is taken common, so one negative is remaining equal to 0. Now we have some formulae and you must remember those algebraic formulae. We have a cube minus b cube, this becomes a minus b, where I write a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. You must know this one. And also a square minus b square, this becomes a plus b and a minus b. We must remember these two. So using this formula I can write k minus 5. So and here I can write first square plus first into second, so k into 5, this 5k only, and plus second square, so 5 square is 25. You can apply this formula by this, okay, and you will get the result. So this total in the bracket and then minus, this minus comes down, and here for this one you write k plus 5 and k minus 5, this becomes 0 and bracket closed. So in the further step we can write k minus 5. You can see here it is common and here it is common, so I took common, remaining is k square plus 5k plus 25 minus k plus 5, which is equal to 0. So it means k minus 5, this is equal to 0, or k square plus 5k plus 25 minus k plus 5, this is equal to 0, because this multiply this, we get 0. It means either this is 0, either this is 0, because you know 2 multiply 0, you get 0. It means this is 0. If you write 2 multiply a, this is 0, it means a is 0. So using this rule I have done this calculation. Now from this one you have k minus 5 equals 0, so k minus 5 goes this way, becomes plus 5, and k is equal to 5. This is the first value. Now we go to the second. We calculate this one. So what we get from this one, let's do the calculation. So first simplifying, 5k plus 25 minus k, and this becomes minus plus minus 5 equals 0. K square, this is minus k, this is 5k, 5k minus k becomes 4k, and 25 minus 5 this becomes plus 20 equal to 0. Now we see k power 2, k power 1, there is no k power, so it means this is the quadratic equation. Using the quadratic formula we'll solve the problem. So here this is this one is called A, this is B, this is C, so here is 1. So we can write in simple, we can write A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 20. Now we use the formula. So what is the formula? Here we need K, so K is equal to minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC square root divided by 2A. So putting the values we have already minus B, so B value is this one 4, so minus 4 plus minus, and here we have again 4 square minus 4A, A is 1 and C is 20, so divide by 2 into A is 1. Further going solving it, so minus 4 plus minus, here we have 16 minus 4 to 8, so 80, divide to 2. Again solving further, so minus 4 plus minus, this becomes minus 64, divide 2. This can be written as minus 4 plus minus, and here you can write let's say 64 multiply by minus 1, I can write it, so divide by 2. Further you can write it minus 4 plus minus 64 square root and minus 1 square root, divide 2. So now it's easy and you can tell what is there. So minus 4 plus minus, this becomes 8 and this minus 1 square root, this becomes iota. Okay, so making it imaginary part, so we can write it iota divided by 2, and here we can take 2 common, so this becomes, for example, I take okay, before this we have another step. Let me talk about this that first. So we have k value minus 4 plus 8i divided by 2, or k is equal to minus 4 minus 8i divided by 2, because this is plus and minus both. So now we can solve it. We can solve it here or we can solve individually. So here if 2 is taken common, so this becomes minus 2 plus 4i divide 2, this 2 to cancel, so you have minus 2 plus 4i as the first answer of k. And another one is k equals to 2 is common, so minus 2 minus 4i divide 2, 2 to cancel, so minus 2 minus 4i, this is the second answer. So you have 3 roots. One is k is equal to 5, I can write it, so answer, okay, k is equal to 5, k equals minus 2 plus 4i, k equals minus 2 minus 4i, that's your answer. Any question in the comment? Thanks.